Hey guys, for today, Monday, week 18, we listened to chapter 6. The link is there, and if it's not already in Google Classroom, I will put it there for you. Then we did a check for understanding with somebody wanted but so then. Semester reflection, it's in a Google form just to check to see if you are understanding what we have done so far this semester, and then ELA practice, which is Monday. So the link is in the agenda. The check for understanding. So if we go to Google Classroom, you will see week 18. We've got the agenda, we've got the check for understanding, we have the semester reflection, and then we have the ELA practice. So this is the check for understanding. You'll watch the short clip. You're going to fill out your somebody wanted but so then. Watch the video as many times as you want. And then you want to make sure that you are typing your summary. So it needs to be in complete sentences. So make sure that you have that completed and turned in when you are finished. Semester reflection. You can watch the video here. There's no audio, but maybe a way to jog your memory of the things that we've done so far. Just explaining in your own language, figurative language. What do you remember about figurative versus literal language, similes, metaphors? What do you remember about how that helps us? Why do we study that? And then connotation. Can you explain to me what connotation is? And then in the video, it shows you some examples. We just got done practicing that. Denotation. So what's the difference between denotation and connotation? Again, worked on that. We had Aunt Myrna, lots of different examples and videos for that. Can you explain tone and mood? So one applies to the author and one applies to the reader. And explain somebody wanted but so then in your own words. What is that a strategy for? Why do we use it? And then the last thing is, how does what we have been studying help us? We've talked a lot about all the different things and how it applies to reading, but then how it applies to life and what does it boil down to? What is our purpose for everything that we've been studying? Again, you can watch the video. It was just the stuff that I had on the board for people to look at in class. So when you have that finished, then you're going to head over to the ELA practice, and you just need to do Monday. If you need help, let me know. Remember at the bottom corner here, synonyms or antonyms. You're deciding if they mean the same thing or they mean the opposite. The one up here obviously doesn't have a text box to edit, but you could certainly add your own text box if you so desired. But just Monday is all you need to do. So make sure that when you have your check for understanding completed, that you've turned that in, and your semester reflection, have that turned in. And again, you can find any of that right there on week 18. So when you are out, you just want to make sure that you're clicking on the agenda each day, and that should give you exactly what it is we did in class, and it will be the most up-to-date information, because sometimes depending on timing, I might change something, but I might not get it updated in the At a Glance homework page. So again, if you have questions, let me know. Tomorrow we're going to get started on theme, so make sure you tune in to that. All right. I hope you guys are doing well. I know this stinks, but we will get through it. All right, toodaloo, bubaloos.